How to completely uninstall Microsoft Edge. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can completely uninstall Microsoft Edge. Before you uninstall Microsoft Edge, make sure to install another web browser such as Google Chrome. After you do that, you want to open up your settings. Here you want to click on the apps option. Then from the left hand side panel, you want to select the default apps. Now you want to scroll down and make the another web browser your default. So you want to make Google Chrome your default web browser. After you do this, next step is to open up any other web browser. Here I'm going to open Google Chrome. Now head over to wisecleaner.com. From the product, select Wise Program Uninstaller. Now you want to click on the free download option and have this application installed on your PC or laptop. Once it has been installed, you simply want to open up the application. Now, you want to scroll down and from this list of applications, you want to find the Microsoft Edge. Once you have found it, click on that. Now, you have the option of Force Uninstall. Go ahead and click on that option. Once you do, click on the Yes option for confirmation. Now, after Microsoft Edge has been uninstalled, you still have to uninstall all of these programs as well. So click on the remove option over here. After this has been removed, you want to click on Microsoft Edge. Then select all of these web extensions and click on the uninstall option. And with these steps, you will be able to completely uninstall Microsoft Edge. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.